What, you think they're out there, Percy? You think somebody's out there? It's okay. It's only 7 o'clock. This is just the start of it. Percy. It's okay. It's okay, boys. It's just the fireworks. It's okay. Zeus, you've been through this before. Yeah, you're chilling. It's okay. It's okay. Yeah, good boy. Go to your spot.
3 hours later.
It's okay. It's just a fireworks. Okay, it's just the fireworks. It's okay. Come on, let's go where the TV is at. Jeez. Oh man, Purple. You sound scary. Look at the hairs on your back. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. Oh man. It's okay. It's okay. Oh man, look at those hairs. It's okay. I'm gonna go see who it is. Go check it out. It's okay. Good boy. Good guard dog. Good job. I'm proud of you. It's okay. Come on. Come on. Come on, Percy. Inside. Come on. Let's go. You know you're scared. Don't even act. Come on. Let's go. Inside. Good boy.